Today I'm going to show you how to use the wet method to apply vinyl. So it is so super easy. All you need is a spray bottle. This is probably a 16 ounce, I'll have to double check, spray bottle that I filled all the way up with water. The other one ingredient is dish soap. Okay, and all you're gonna do is fill up your water bottle with water, and then you're gonna do one, like a little drop, that's it, of soap. And it lasts for a really long time. So I just combine that as best I can. I don't shake it too much, I don't want to be like all bubbly, but combine that soap in the water. And I absolutely love using the wet method to apply vinyl both to my acrylic blanks and to my tumblers, but you could do this on glass as well. It helps for two reasons. One, it helps you apply your vinyl so there are no bubbles. So it works best if you have like a circle or some sort of design that has just like a lot of vinyl. Like letters don't have like a big surface area, so you don't necessarily need to use the wet method, but if you're putting a circle on an acrylic blank and you want to make sure that you don't have any bubbles, then this is a great method. You can also use it to apply your decals to your tumblers as well as doing full vinyl wraps. The other reason that I like it is because it makes your vinyl repositionable. So if you put it down in the wrong place, you can lift it right back up and put it back down. So being no bubbles and being repositionable is worth doing this 100%. You don't need a specific type of transfer paper. Some of the bigger name companies will say you need paper transfer tape, but that's just not true. I use my favorite clear transfer tape from Amazon, and I can link that down below. But any clear, like very flat transfer tape will work. So let me show you how to do it. You can use any adhesive vinyl, and I'm going to show you on this circle acrylic blank. But again, you can do this on tumblers and glass as well. So I have my spray bottle filled with water and a drop of soap like I already showed you. And since I'm doing an acrylic blank, I like to put the blank on some paper towel because it is going to get wet. So if you put it on the paper towel, you're just going to take your transfer tape and squeegee it onto your vinyl. Again, it should just be any clear transfer tape and that should work. But I will link this one down below. It is my absolute favorite. So you're just going to saturate your blank and spray the vinyl. And then you can put it down on your surface. And if it isn't in the right spot, you can peel it up without causing any damage to the vinyl. And if you want to peel it up and replace, you can either respray with water or just try again. Once you get it stuck where you want it, you're going to use your squeegee tool to squeegee out all of the water. This is an important step because you need all of the water to be out from underneath the vinyl. So once I do that, I actually let this dry a couple of hours. Well, maybe like at least one to about 3 hours before I remove the transfer tape. Once it's dry, you can remove the vinyl, and you will see that on this particular blank, this is a circle very prone to bubbles. It has 0 bubbles whatsoever. So from this point, once it's dry, you can layer on more vinyl. You can do whatever it is that you want to do, and you can seal with your bright tone or extreme protection. This is a great way to do acrylic blanks, especially with small surfaces, but as well as tumblers and other projects that you just want to be careful where your vinyl is going and to minimize bubbles.